Hi, my name's Lakin, and the company that I chose to do for my presentation is Keurig. So I thought I'd start off by telling a little bit about the company, I guess. Keurig is actually a word derived from the Dutch word for excellence, and Keurig relates that to the promise that they've made to their customers. Keurig believes that coffee should always be served fresh, just like at any gourmet coffee house. So instead of brewing a whole pot, it's better to just brew one cup at a time. So that's why in 1998 they introduced the single cup brewing system, which lets people brew the perfect cup of coffee in less than a minute without having to grind beans, measure coffee, handle filters, and it's also easy cleanup. So the specific brewing system that I am going to be talking about for marketing purposes is the View commercial grade brewing system, which gives you total control to brew the way that you'd like to. You can brew stronger, bigger, hotter, and there are more choices than there have ever been before with any other Keurig machine. With the View, you can not only enjoy coffee, but it also makes tea, hot cocoa, and iced beverages as well. They did note on their website that they have additional varieties coming soon, so be on the lookout for those. How they market their products. I've seen a couple of TV commercials that I know for sure that they do. I know they appear in in-store flyers such as Kohl's or Target. They participate actually in live demonstrations to help show people how to properly use and clean these brewing machines. And you can actually find all the dates, times, and locations right on their website if you just put it in the search bar, and it will do that for you. They were featured on the TV show In the Kitchen with David, which is on the QVC network. They also have a number of videos available on their own website that shows the benefits to using their coffee machines as opposed to others, and also how to properly use and clean these machines. And then I thought this was kind of interesting. It happened pretty recently, September 27th, 2012. It states, Green Mountain Coffee Roasters announced the expansion of the Keurig View brewing system with the addition of the Keurig View V600 brewer. This machine offers an interactive black and white touchscreen as opposed to the colored touchscreen on the first View brewing system. It makes it a lower price point, but also is still able to offer those same popular customizable features to a broader range of customers. I feel that it appeals to the price-conscious buyer because maybe somebody doesn't want to spend a fortune on a coffee machine, but would also really like to have those same features available to them. And they can now with the black and white touchscreen. It makes these machines a little bit cheaper. As for competition, I thought basically any other company that produces coffee brewers are going to be Keurig's competition. Keurigs, I know, are also sold at many of the same locations. The ones that I found were Kohl's, Target, Best Buy, Lowe's, Macy's, Walmart, and Bed Bath & Beyond. I know they all sell them in-store and online. And although a variety of the other coffee brewers are less expensive, Keurig's offers special features that most others don't, because I do know other companies make single cup brewing systems, but they do not offer the same features that Keurig's do. I actually seen also on their website that they are the #1 single cup brewing system in North America, which I thought was pretty cool, which means they must be doing something right in their marketing department, otherwise that probably wouldn't be happening. I also thought it would be perfect for workstations so that everyone can make their own cup of coffee. You know, instead of having a pot that might sit there all day, everybody can just make their own one cup of coffee and they can choose the flavor of it also. And then I went into social factors because I thought this was also pretty neat. They believe strongly in reducing waste that they produce, and they're trying to recycle as much material as they can. They conducted a life cycle analysis study to learn more about the environmental impact that their products are having. what they learned is that the disposal of their products' packaging represents not a large fraction, but a good percentage of the total environmental impact. And significant impacts occur in cultivation of coffee beans, the use of the brewing systems, and the materials used in the product's packaging. They take impacts very seriously at Keurig and are continuing to work to reduce their environmental footprint on America. I listed 4 examples of how they do that. One, they introduced nested packaging for K-Cup packs, which are the little individual coffee that you would put into the Keurig that makes the 1 cup of coffee, which is estimated to reduce gas emissions by more than 20% and decrease volume of packaging by 30%, which are pretty significant amounts, I would say. They are now offering My K-Cup product, which is a reusable filter that can be refilled by the consumer. It's easily cleaned and compatible with all the home K-Cup brewing systems that Keurig sells today. They are also piloting a new K-Cup pack for tea, which is made out of paper, which is a renewable resource, and they started doing that in 2010. They also have machines that are providing considerable energy savings through the auto-off features. It sounds like these are only on the at-home brewing system, which I'm not sure what the exact difference is. But other than that, I talked about demographics as well. They stated on their website that they believe, I found a little information on their website and then a little on a couple other websites.